I started my firm, Full Compliance LLC, back in 2006, and we focused on, it was compliance, it was business returns, individual returns, accounting, payroll, sales tax, everything that you think of when you think of a traditional public accounting firm. And we always did some sort of tax planning, but it was just very kind of like level one tax planning, just like very like shallow, if you want to use that word, tax planning throughout that. And then what really triggered the tax planning was when the TCJA came out in 2017 with the QBI deduction, and then I started getting just deeper and deeper into tax planning. Got advanced certifications, lots of continuing education, coursework, and by 2019, I ended up splitting the business into two. So I've got full compliance, which is the compliance work, and then I broke out proactive tax advisors, where all we do is tax planning for high net worth individuals, typically people who are above a 30% tax rate. Ever since then, when we started, I used other softwares for tax planning, but I never found one that was really kind of like that I really gelled with. So I got TaxPlanIQ, and just having all the strategies there, it just really helps. And I've gone through all 120 something of those strategies, back and forth, inside out. I don't understand all of them 100%, but I think I'm pretty much 90 to 95% confident on most of them. With an EA license, you can do anything related to tax, unless you're doing financial statements for a loan, where you've got to like sign off on the financial statements. You don't need that. But if you understand the code and do the research and put in the time to understand the strategies, you can always do it. It also has to do with confidence. You just got to be confident in your knowledge. So. They love it. They love it. So now it's, instead of you owe $400,000, it's you saved $350,000. So when you lead with that, it just really shows the value to the clients. And even if they have to pay tax, they're happy they're paying tax, because they know that they're getting a discount. And who doesn't like a discount? I grew by like 95%. I was trying to double, but last year, but it was all tax planning, and then the planning plus there's some of them that have a commission component to it. And I think it's kind of like there's the McDonald's model, or the fast food model, or the Michelin model. So I don't want to be the fast food model. You're going to get exposed to different strategies. You're going to listen to people who have done it, and you'll pick up little nuggets. That's why I attend most of them, because sometimes somebody will say something, or I'll figure something out, or something. There's always something that I can pick up from those. It's great to have the ability to set up a time with Veronica, or whoever's there, to go over different strategies. Sometimes you've got something that might be something a little more complicated, and you always want someone to kind of bounce ideas off.